Good day. My name is Zhang Xiaomeng. I'm from Requirement Engineering and Software Modeling Section 3. Before I proceed the presentation, I have to apologize that I can provide full screen of presentation. Since my laptop doesn't have camera, I have to use my phone, and the application is not allowed to record the video, so that I have to record the video by my laptop. So let's back to presentation. I'm the member from a team of 5 legals. Our project name is Water Catchment Management System. Today, the presentation of alternative assessment is going to talk about the specific use case were assigned to me and its user interface. The presentation is divided into 4 parts, which is first introduction and overall user interface flow, second use case specification, third self-reflection, fourth prototype demonstration. Let's look overall user interface. I have to zoom in again. Sorry about that. This is a user interface flow for generate report and the report project progress user cases. There are total 28 pages, which contains menu pages, search pages, display pages, 404 not found pages, submission pages, texture pages. The color of UI is blue, which represents the color of water. The first 2 rows are pages are about the project progress. The last 2 rows are about the report. I will go to the detail when I do the prototype demonstration. The second part is use case specification. My AA is report project progress and generate report use cases. Let's look at the UC003 report project progress. Sorry, I have to zoom in. The contractor reports each progress during the development of the project. Before the contract performs the use case, the contract must log into the system and the project is ongoing. The contractor starts selecting the project from the playlist or search its name to report the progress details. If it's not found, then we'll perform the exception flow. During the entering, the detail will be auto-saved by system. This is activity diagram of a report project progress. The contract basically from the menu, start from menu and click the specific project to report progress, and then the system will display timeline of project. The contractor will add a button and then enter the details, submit, and then system will display successful page and go back to previous timeline page. Let's look at UC006 generate report. Bagage official generates the water catchment report. Project management team generates the water project report. Before the use case is performed, 2 actors must log in the system, and the project to be generated must be finished. Then the bagage goes to the water catchment menu and to generate wanted water catchment report. The project management team goes to the water project menu to generate specific water project report. They can search the particular item by its name. If it's not found, then we'll perform the exception flow. At the end, the report is downloaded. This is an activity diagram of generate report. It's the flow of the use, how to perform the use case, and it's also shown in the user interface flow. Okay, let's look at third part is the self-reflection. I will split into 2 parts to talk about. First, from the course and the project, I have learned a lot from the course and this project, water catchment management system. The teamwork present and all members of the team participate and carry out their responsibilities to the best of their abilities, which let me realize the cooperation among team is very important if we want to reach good results. The project led me to have a better and more practical understanding of the requirements, engineering, and the software modeling concepts, hence which is able to connect to my another course, software engineering course, and boosting my skill, especially the UML skills, which contains a lot of type, such as use case diagram, state machine diagram, activity diagram, and so on, and experience. The course indeed was a very good opportunity to develop deep understanding of the software development as a software engineering student in the future. And is also very useful for my career path in the future. Okay, let's look at the last part, prototype demonstration. Okay, let's demonstrate the project report project progress use case. Okay, first we enter the water project menu, and then it's gonna report ongoing project progress. So click ongoing project. Okay, then I just wanna search select the project from the list. So let's say I select the Saga-Lemba River project. See what will happen. You will just directly display the information of the project. So let's back to the previous page. This time I try to search by search project by its name. Okay, I enter the name, which is the project is not existing in the system. See what will happen. Click search, it will display 404 not found page. So okay, back to the previous page. This time I type the correct name, which is existing in the system, the Saga Lemba River. Okay, click the search. It will display the specific project, and then let's say, and then click the project. It will display the information of project. Also, okay, this now we can start off report the progress. Okay, click the progress button. You will display the all updated progresses ordered by latest time. Okay, now let's add new progress. You will display the texture page with of progress with the title, progress name, date reported by budget description, images, videos, files. So okay, I enter this information. Okay, let's click the submit button. You will display the submission successful page. Okay, let's back to the timeline page. We will see the new progress is updated with the blue title. So this is the report project progress use case. Okay, next let's demonstrate the generate report use case. Let's back to main menu first. Okay, now we perform the first alternative flow of the generate report use case, which is Bagage Offshore, generate the water catchment report. So first, let's enter the water catchment menu. You will go to, let's click the catchment areas. You will display the list of the catchment areas. Okay, first let's just select catchment area from the list. See what will happen. Let's click the report button. You will display the content of a report. Okay, next let's back to the previous page. This time we search the catchment, search the water catchment by its name. Okay, let's I enter the the water catchment is which is not existing. Okay, let's click the search button. Your display 404. Sorry, no result found page. Okay, let's back to the previous page. This time I enter the correct the water catchment which is existing in the system. See what will happen. See, click the search this button. You will display the specific water catchment area. Okay, so now we click the report button. You will display the content of Johor River report, which includes water pollution situation data, water level data, others data. Okay, now let's click the generate button. You will display the generated successfully. Your report has been generated. Downloaded at the user/download file. So this is the first alternative of the generate report. Okay, let's demonstrate the second flow of generate report use case, which is the project management team generate the water project report. So let's back to the main menu first. Let's enter the water project menu because the project to be generated is finished project. So let's click the finished project. You will display the list of the finished project. So let's just select one project from the list. I select the Sugar-Lembo River project. Or let's click the report button. You will display the content of the Sugar-Lembo River project report. So let's back to the previous page. This time we try to enter the name of the projects to search. Okay, so I entered the wrong name. So let's see what will happen. I click the search. You will display the 404. Sorry, not found page. Let's back to the previous page. This time I enter the correct the project name. So I click the search. You will display the specific finished project. So I click the report button. You will display the content of the project. Your report you will generate the which contains the project progress and the project content which is a timeline and is and the budget and others. Okay, let's click the generate button. You will display the generate successfully. Your report has been generated. Download as a user/download file. So this is the project management team will generate the project report. So that's all. This is all the prototype demonstration. Thank you so much.